Hi, I'm Kurt, one of the design engineers here at Bivar. Today I'll be showing you how to install a flexible light pipe. Flexible light pipes are used to efficiently transfer light for longer distances by moving light from LED source, around obstacles, and to the user interface. They also provide ESD protection for surrounding sensitive components by distancing the point of light away from the PCB. A flexible light pipe system consists of an adapter and a flexible optical fiber with a lens cap. The adapters can be used with a variety of surface mount LEDs like Bivar's SM0402, SM1210, and more. Using Bivar's zero light bleed technology in our adapters, we can eliminate LED crosstalk and false readings. The zero light bleed is also available with our right angle, low profile adapter for use in tight and constrained spaces. Bivar's flexible light pipes are available in a variety of jacket colors for easy identification during installation. This may be useful in cases where you want to ensure the installer is using the correct light pipe and in the proper location on the PCB. Flexible light pipes are available in lengths from 1 inch to over 100 feet to tackle applications that require long-distance communication. Flexible light pipes are commonly used for larger applications such as outdoor network monitors, EV charging stations, agricultural machinery, gaming machines, tower broadcast systems, and industrial controls. 3 different adapter options are available to use with our flexible light pipes: post mount, firm retention, and built-in SMD. Post mount and firm retention are installed with simple insertion into pre-drilled mounting holes. The post mount adapters have ribs that engage with the PCB holes, giving it a secure fit. The firm retention feature adapters have tabs that naturally bend out. The tabs are compressed inward when inserted into the mounting hole and flexed out when pressed completely into the PCB to provide a secure fit. Built-in SMD LED adapters are different because rather than having an open pocket like with the post mount or firm retention adapter, the adapter has an LED already installed with an additional plastic component to keep the LED in place. LED leads stick out of the adapter so it can be soldered onto the PCB without the need for holes in the PCB. Let's start with installation for the firm retention adapter. First, an LED will be soldered onto a PCB. Adapter mounting holes will be drilled according to the size recommendation on the datasheet of the product being used. Once holes are ready, the adapter is simply pressed cautiously in by hand until the adapter rests on the PCB. Post-mount adapter will be similar in nature by simply inserting the post into the pre-drilled mounting holes. Built-in SMD LEDs are installed a little differently. The adapter is ready to be placed on the PCB without taking the LED out. Exposed leads are soldered onto the board for securing the adapter in place. No extra mounting holes need to be drilled into the PCB. Installation can be done by hand or with a pick-and-place machine, which is provided in an easy-to-use tray package for larger quantities. After the adapter is ready, the panel hole will then be made according to the product datasheet. Then take the lens and flexible light pipe subassembly and insert the cable first into the hole from the outside of the panel. Route the flexible light pipe in the desired path towards the adapter while maintaining a minimum bend radius of 10 times the core diameter. Insert the flexible light pipe into the adapter until it bottoms out on the interior adapter ledge. To maintain the engagement, flexible light pipe is to only be inserted in once. The flexible light pipe assembly is then ready to go. Bivar has the broadest offering of flexible light pipes and is the originator of zero light bleed adapter on the market with built-in SMD LEDs. The flexible light pipe system is simple to use and install into a wide range of applications. Bivar's flexible light pipes will ensure that light transfers efficiently from an LED to a user interface. Thank you for watching, and tell us in the comments what you would like to see in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content and visit us at bivar.com to learn more.